Greetings, coaches, colleagues, and kiddos. How's everyone doing out there? Listen, I'm here to talk to you teachers and students about some things that I've learned you can do to make sure everyone, that's right, I said everyone, meets all the state standards and passes all the tax tests. Now, I know that can be pretty tough for some of you buckaroos, but I've been involved in a class called Teaching with Technology that has given me some real pointers about how to make it super duper easy schmeezy for everyone to master all of the state objectives every year. Yeah, in my Teaching with Technology class, I've learned tons of things, so listen up and let me go over a few of them, because I think all of you are going to be really interested in hearing some of this cool stuff. First of all, did you know that teaching with technology, software programs like iMovie, Photo Story, Audacity, GarageBand, all of those are really neat programs to help teachers and students create multimedia projects like podcasts, videocasts, and digital stories. Yeah, pretty neat. And you can also design your own book online too. By using all of these tools, teachers can teach some pretty cool stuff like the story elements. Characters, setting, plot, point of view, theme. Teaching with technology and using iMovies and book builders and podcasts and photo stories makes it a lot more interesting for the kiddos. And teachers could probably find it pretty entertaining too, because it's fun. Yeah, our effective network in our brains really like technology. And sometimes graphic organizers can be a little boring, but when you spice it up with technology a little bit, things can really start jiving. Yeah, it seems kids and people in general just seem to like the option to have information presented in a variety of different formats. So, you could create some really cool graphic organizers like Venn diagrams and other charts and graphs such as this using Kidspiration. It's a very fun and interactive software. So what are you waiting for? Let's have some fun. This would be a great time for me to share some of the details about things I learned in my Teaching with Technology class that will really help everyone out. First of all, I need to share some ideas about technology tools that are very useful, and I've already mentioned a few. For example, iMovie, Photo Story, GarageBand, Audacity are all really great programs to help teachers present information in a variety of media formats for students, which makes it a little easier for them. These programs are also great for having students construct projects to demonstrate their learning. Other great tools include Kidspiration or Inspiration and Microsoft Excel and Word. These can be great for helping students chart objectives and goals and write scripts for podcasts. You'll see several examples of this type of work on our Google site, and several other universally designed lessons and models and resources that will really help teachers start integrating these useful technology tools into their classrooms. And I'd like to point out that all of our lessons referenced on our Google site are research-based, so we know that there will be success with these type of tools. Which, by the way, speaking of our Google site, you can access that at http:// that's sites.google.com/site teaching with technology 5364 /. Let me tell you, homie, we've listed a few resources there and some tutorials that students and teachers might find very helpful, especially if you're trying to use some of the lessons we created in our digital library. So, if you're looking for resources or student learning activities, be sure and check our Google site.